Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a part 2 of the previous video. It's right off where we ended last. Someone killed my brother and then a random ass person joins. Oh, clip! Jump the walls! Jump the walls! Jump the walls! Jump the walls! If your means that you were, I got lucky and look at this! Look at this, Cody! Look at this! I mean, this is a thing! It's on my recording, bro! It's on my fucking recording! Now, why are you fucking lucky? Now I'm gonna die instantly. Oh my! You need to capture his fucking water! Okay, I came out right as he got fucking devoured.
And he left.
Oh!
I got stuck on a fence.
No one ever plays this game anymore. It's quite sad.
This is brilliant, but this is classic nostalgia.
Classic nostalgia, I've played it before.
Yeah.
At the end, I was genuinely chasing a fucking zombie. I am not
Like
the
Mom was
danger.
chasing.
I am not you. I am not the danger. You are the danger. I am the danger. You are not. Oh look! I just entered a room where its roof collapsed and I survived. I have fucking plot armor.
Thanks to plot armor for sponsoring this video.
Thank you for today's sponsor, Raid.
Over here, Raid Shadow.
Like exactly almost every sponsorship nowadays.
Raid Shadow Legends.
Fuck, you said it. Oh shit, we just gave him free advertising. Oh fuck. Ah!
Wait, what?
I didn't even get paid.
Okay, we got a little bit before.
I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Idiot. I don't give a fuck.
What did I just do?
Bruh,
I just super jumped.
I'm gonna sit down here and wait for my inevitable doom. Go, Cody, go. Go, shut your retarded brother. I don't give a fuck. Bruh, just slap your belly. It sounds like you're doing something weird. Bruh. Alright, so what happened to your other channel, Cody?
It got banned.
For what?
Don't know.
Huh?
I'm at the top.
How many copyright strikes did you have?
Probably over 2,000?
That is why you delete all your old videos with copyright strikes.
Wanna gamble? Okay.
I can't fucking gamble because yeah, you pressed it right as I fucking died, asshole. Stop that. It sounds like you're shaking the bed in fear. As I do absolutely fucking nothing and disappear back in the darkness. Yo, look, it's my most famous video. Yo, look, it's my most famous video.
Did you know that one actually got 1.8k views?
I know, I saw it and I was like, what the fuck? Why so many views? Why?
Why are so many people in your channel emo?
I don't think we're emo. Stop bullying my fucking fans.
Ow.
Stop bullying my fucking fans. You know, I won't even leak your IP. Also, I think you should stop recording, because you probably surpassed the 15-minute mark.
Okay. Do you want to play Nina's friend now?
Yeah. Oh, hello! Hello, stupid ass!
Are you just the killer?
He's Jeff Miller. He's Jeff a child predator. No, he's Jeff a child predator. That's what he is. Jeff, a child predator. This is Jeff. He's a child predator. He loves children. Oh, okay. I'll end the episode here. There's nothing more interesting about this video. Yeah, exactly, character. There's nothing interesting. Yeah. You have a good day. Everyone watching this, have a good day. And don't mind my stupid ass brother. Oh, he left. Don't mind him. He's just emo and a furry.
No, I'm not.
Well, okay, fine.
You're free too.
Yeah, we're all furries here. You know what? Next time I get Roblox, I'm just going to change my avatar to a furry if you dare me. Which probably will never happen, so I'll just be forever stuck as this creature that's just existing. So yeah, have a good day, and oh shit, everything's falling behind me. Oh look, a ramp. You have a good day, and you're the best.